How to change your residential address on Amazon. If you want your orders to be delivered to a different location than the one that you currently have, let me show you how you can add it or change it. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick to this video till the end without skipping any part. Now you can also do this process within the mobile app, but for this video we're going to use the website of Amazon. So open up your web browsers and search for amazon.com and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, just hover over accounts and list and this drop down menu will open up. Just head over to content and devices. Through this setting on the top, you can see a couple of options. To change your location, tap on the preferences option. And here you can see an option of country/region settings. So just click on this option and click on change. Through this section, you can fill in your detailed address. So type in your address, your city, your state and your zip code along with your country and your phone number. So just fill in all these details and then just click on update and your residential address on Amazon will be changed to the one that you've entered. And you can switch between multiple addresses if you have added. So just click on the box on the top and you can choose from multiple addresses once you click on update. So that's the exact way of changing your residential address on Amazon. Leave this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more videos just like this. Until then, keep watching.